What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital. Today we're back with another video where I'm going to show you guys how you guys can start making money on ClickBank today without a website. And I'm going to show you guys a secret traffic method that I've been using to generate some leads to my sales funnels for any program that I'm promoting. And for example, we're going to use ClickBank today. So I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your ClickBank offer so you can start making money today. And first thing you want to do is go over to clickbank.com. And on clickbank.com, they offer a lot of different products and services that you can promote. And as you can see, these are different categories that you can promote. So as seen on TV, e-business and e-marketing, games, health and fitness, home and gardening, and a lot more. These are all different niches that you can go into and promote these products. But today I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of how you can go ahead and grab these products, take the link, don't even create a website or create a email autoresponder, and go ahead and start making some money online. So the first thing you want to do is go over to e-business and e-marketing. Once you go to ClickBank, once you get to the e-business and e-marketing, this is just for example purposes. You guys can choose any niche you want. They're going to show you all the different products and services that you can promote. Also, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Gravity. Gravity is going to show you right here. The gravity for this product is 314. This one is 227. This one is 133. My rule of thumb is to always pick one that is anywhere between a gravity of 50 and 125. You can do like the 200 and 300 gravities, but that just means like a lot of affiliates are promoting that product, so it can be saturated. So for example, we're going to use Click Wealth Systems for this example today. And a lot of these products have affiliate pages. These affiliate pages are going to give you all the tools that you need to promote the product, from email swipes to banners, images, videos, to different tracking links and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open up the affiliate page so we can use it as an example today. And this is the affiliate page where you'll be able to get all the tools that you need to promote this product. They give you the funnel layout from the upsells and downsells so you can see how much potential money that you can make. And as you can see, there's people on here that's been promoting this product and making a lot of money. This is an example of some money that other affiliates have made from this exact product. And they show you a lot. But today, the only thing that we're going to use is going to be the email swipes. So we're going to go ahead and find the email swipes for this offer and go from there. Okay, so on an affiliate page, you see that they have email swipes for Make Money Online, and these are going to be their best converting email swipes that you can use. This is basically a copy and paste thing, and you just input your information, input your tracking links and your affiliate links so you can start making commissions on your sales. So they have up to 7 emails. So this will be like a 7-day email sequence. After 7 days, if they don't convert, you can try a different offer. But what you guys are here for, the way to promote these products without a website and what cheap traffic. So the first thing you want to do is go over and grab your tracking link. So just click promote, generate hop link, and you want to go ahead and copy the hop link. So I've successfully copied the hop link. Go ahead and close this out. And then the system that we're going to be using today to promote this offer without a website is going to be My Lead Gen Secrets. And as you can see, you're able to get 100 leads every day without a website and without using paid advertisements such as Google Ads or Facebook ads. And the crazy part is, for 100 leads every day, you're only paying $1 a day. So that's essentially $1 per 100 leads. And as you can see, these leads are legit leads. They are actually getting people sales. And the crazy part is that they allow you to get bonuses to where you get more than 100 leads a day. You can get 200 leads a day. And if I scroll down, it's going to show you a couple people promoting offers on here that use these same exact leads and traffic system and made money. This person made $14,000. This person made $1,000. This person made sales. This person made $9,000. And they have testimonials going all the way down this page for these leads that they generated using this system. If you guys want to get these leads to promote this traffic or to promote this offer, it's going to be in a link in the description. So Once you go ahead and sign up for this, the link in the description is going to bring you to this page. All you have to do is click join MLGS now. And then once you do that, it's going to bring you to My Legion Secrets, where you can log in. And this is going to be your back office. And it's going to show you everything that you need to know. As you can see, I already received 100 leads today. So all I have to do is send out an email blast. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on mailing system once you have signed up for this program. And as you can see, I have 100 leads that I can send out this offer to. So what you want to do is go ahead and go back to your affiliate page on ClickBank. The subject line is going to be important message 2. We're going to copy that subject line. You're going to paste it in here. And you can take out that for now and just put important message. And then you're going to go ahead and select the first name. Paste. And then what you want to do is go ahead. This is where you're going to input your email. And what you want to do first is delete all this out to input your own information for your email swipe. The email swipe is given to you. You don't have to write your own. You don't have to have experience or nothing to do this. So what you want to do is go ahead and copy and paste this email swipe. From there, you want to go back to the website, paste the message. And basically what this is going to do is allow you to send emails out without having a website, without having an email responder such as GetResponse, Aweber, SendLane, or anything like that. You can just use everything to collect your leads and send out emails all from this system. So if you want to get leads every day for your business or your offers, click the link in the description. But what you want to do is go ahead and click on a copy affiliate link, which I already did. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and back over to the email that you're going to send out for your offer. And you want to go ahead and click try it out for yourself. You're going to highlight this. You're going to scroll up and link. You're going to link your affiliate. Oh, let's go grab that hop link again. You're going to put your affiliate link right where that message was. So generate hop link. Copy that. And then input the URL. Click OK. And as you can see, now your affiliate link is there. So now when somebody clicks on this, it'll take them over to your offer page for ClickBank, which is going to look like this for this particular offer. Once somebody goes through this sales funnel and make a purchase, you'll get paid the commissions. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and click send email. Well, let's preview it first. This is how it's going to look. Instead of saying name or first name, it's going to say the email subscriber's actual name. And then once they click on try it out yourself, it's going to take them over to this offer page. So let's go ahead and close that. And then all you have to do simply is click send email. Oh, let's select leads first. Select my 100 leads that I want to send this to. And then click send email. Now, what I basically did was go to ClickBank, find my offer, grab my affiliate link. Then I went to the link that I have in the description for this traffic source, and I signed up. And then they gave me automatically 100 leads just for signing up. I went over to my mailing system. I copied and pasted my email swipe that was given to me from ClickBank. I didn't have to write anything myself. And then I sent out the email. Now, all I have to do now is simply just wait a couple of days and let them respond to the email, see how many people are clicking through and opening my message, and then actually watch my ClickBank account grow with sales. So if you guys want to get started with ClickBank and don't have no experience and you want to do this without any website, without having any experience running paid ads, this is the perfect way to get leads and sales for ClickBank. I'm going to leave the link in the description for this traffic source so you guys can get started today. And that's going to be all.